Hello, how are you? Thanks for joining our video. Today we're going to be drawing Mickey Mouse and one of our favourite characters.
Yep.
And Mickey Mouse has been around for a long time. It was Walt Disney's one of his first characters. He drew it all the way back in 1928, so it's over 94 years ago now. So it's a very old mouse, but he still looks pretty young, so it's pretty good. So that's what we're going to be drawing today. All you need is some paper and a pen, and to get started. Yeah. Now, this is also a special video for our friend, well, your friend, Angelina. That's right. She's a big fan of Mickey Mouse, like us and like you as well. So, hope you have fun and follow along as well. All right, let's get started.
Yeah.
All right. So, Mickey Mouse. Let's start drawing him. Now, there's a lot of basic shapes, so there's a lot of circles. So I'm going to start drawing, let's start drawing with his nose first. So his nose is quite a long oval. I'm just going to turn my paper over because I find it easier drawing sideways sometimes. Do a nice big oval like that. Now we're using markers to draw, but you can use pencils or crayons or even paint, whatever you like. So that's his nose. That's kind of the middle or the bottom half of his head. And then along the top there, we're going to draw another line, which is almost parallel to his nose. It's a similar shape, just a small curve like that. Excellent. And then from that curve, that's where his eyes sit. Now Mickey Mouse has got very long oval eyes, so we can draw his eyeball first, I guess. Like that. And if you don't draw a perfect shape, that's fine, because we don't draw perfect shapes. And so that's his eye, and I'm going to draw another oval, which is his pupil down there. Like that. And you can colour that in. I'm going to draw another little circle in that oval, because that's kind of the highlight, the light reflecting on his eyes. It gives the character some life. Cool. And then we just do the same on the other side. We just copy the same shape. Nice big oval. Like that. And then draw another small oval inside. And then I'm going to draw another circle. Colour that in. There we go. That is really cool. And I think we'll make another marker for you, because I think you have chosen the old marker that we need to throw away. Yeah, that's looking better. Alright, so now let's draw his mouth. So his mouth is another great big curve sitting along the bottom. We're going to kind of start up here. And it's going to curve around like that. So you can see it's already starting to look like Mickey Mouse a little bit. Very good. And at the end of each side of his mouth, we're going to draw another little curve. It's kind of like, yeah, when you're smiling really big, it's kind of like pushing up your cheeks a little bit. Yeah, like that. All right. And now, normally when you see Mickey Mouse, he's got his mouth open. So we're going to draw another kind of big, flat, kind of stretched out U, kind of like that. Yeah, and then inside, you normally see his mouth and his tongue, just two curves around like that. Very cool. Right, now underneath his mouth, we're going to draw another curve. Just a small curve like that, and that's just the bottom of his chin. So you can see it's a pretty easy character to draw. It's just a lot of curves and a lot of circles or oval shapes. Alright, so now you remember Mickey Mouse, he's kind of got a white face around him normally, and so we're going to draw a big curve just starting above the corner of his mouth, and it's going to curve around his eye, kind of following the shape, and it's going to stop in the center there. So we do a nice big curve like that. Yeah, good job. And then you just copy the same on the other side. So again, I'm going to stop probably just about there. So just like that. Actually, let's do it a little bit further. There we go. Cool. So, and then all we're going to do is join this line here and connect it with his chin. So again, we're going to follow the shape of his smile, his mouth. Nice big curve. And down there, like that. So again, he's smiling, a really big smile, and his cheeks are getting pushed out, it kind of puffs up his cheeks a little bit. Yeah, good job, and do the same on the other side. Like that. There we go, it's starting to look like Mickey. But what are we missing?
Ears?
His ears, that's right. I think that's his most famous feature, is his big round ears. So we're going to draw that. We're going to draw two big circles on here, but we're going to leave a little space open. So we're going to start here like this. Again, if it's not a perfect circle, that does not matter. There we go. So we're going to leave a little space open there because that's where his ears are joining his head. Awesome. Yeah, good job. And then we do the same on the other side. So this character has a lot of repeating the same shape on the other side. There we go. And then all we need to do is connect his ears up the top there with a nice curved shape like that. Awesome. And then all we need to do is join his ear where it stops here and join it maybe about halfway along his cheek there. And again, follow the other curve along here. And then we'll do the same on the other side. And there you go, that is Mickey Mouse. So a nice, easy character. It looks complicated, but it's a lot simpler than it is. And it's just a lot of circles, ovals, and curves. And the next thing to do is to colour in. And Mickey Mouse is easy to colour in because there's basically two colours, black and red. Yeah. Right, we're going to fast forward this part, we'll see you back soon. Alright, and we're back, we've finished colouring in. You can see it's a pretty easy character to colour in. There's just a lot of black and a bit of red for his mouth. But really, if you wanted to, you can colour in any colour that you want. Now, what you can do, and I just thought of this, is if you draw him a little bigger and cut him out, cut his eyes out, what you can do is make it into a mask. Hello, I'm Mickey Mouse, how are you? So there you go, you can have a lot of fun with that. Yeah, Mickey Mouse. So, hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.